Just wanted to send a quick list update for my List Infinity traffic that I'm running, and I just scrubbed my email list, so this is why this number is so low. But basically, I have purchased some traffic, and I'm going to show you those details in this video. But I want to show you something. So this is my ClickMagick account. So this is how we know that we are converting. We know where those conversions are coming from. We know what the quality of the traffic is. I can take this tool that they provide, Traffic Quality, and I can see that the quality of traffic, I'm getting tier 1 clicks, which basically that means the top tier countries: USA, England, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. Most of this is USA though, 90%. The traffic quality score is 90 from this purchase I just made. So that's the quality of traffic. So I've sent 134 unique clicks. I haven't sent, but the list owner has sent 134 unique clicks. And with that, I have 56 opt-ins because I have a tracking link. If you saw my previous List Infinity video, you know that I have a tracking link set up, and it's converting at 41.8%. Now this fluctuates throughout the day. As you add more and more clicks, then this number becomes more and more accurate as to the opt-in rate. When you first start out, it's sometimes 60%, 70%, and then it drops to 30%. But as you add more clicks into the front end of that funnel, you start to see more and more accurate in the percentage of conversion. But so that means that today, and let me refresh it, see if we've got any new opt-ins. Oh, I've had 2 more opt-ins, okay, since I started the recording. Traffic's coming in pretty quick. He has a pretty large list, and I've purchased 500 clicks, 58 new opt-ins, right, at a 42% opt-in rate. Now let me show you my Aweber dashboard where these emails are being collected. So let me refresh again, see where we're at. 94 opt-ins today. Now 58 94. So where did those other 36 opt-ins come from? They came from the viral nature of the list. The persons that I have brought into the system are helping me build my list. That's why I have 94 opt-ins today and 58 that I'm providing. Now, that also means that probably 20% of the traffic that I'm sending is going to my sponsor. I'm still capturing 42%, but I've gained 36 subscribers today that I didn't provide. I didn't pay for. The list virality, the viral nature of the list has provided these additional 30 members on my system. So I hope this helps show you how this works. I just wanted to do this quick little under 5-minute video, but this is just a truly incredible system. Again, if you need to get started, you can click on the link down below, but this is where you'll land and end up. And again, sign up, go through this process, and get started. So take care. This is Ray. I'm inviting you to come in and join me and work with Ray. Bye-bye.